So let's get on to number 2 of the independent practice. The question was, passes through the point negative 2, 4 and is parallel to x minus 3y equals 3. Okay, so the first equation that they give you is x minus 3y equaling 3. So I have to find the slope of this line. How do I do that? I'm going to take the standard form and then turn it into the slope-intercept form, and I do that by solving for y. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides, so I have negative 3y equals negative x plus 3. I'm going to divide negative 3, negative 3, and negative 3. So I have y equals, there is an understood 1 here, so I can break that apart and it becomes negative 1 divided by negative 3, x. Okay? 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1. Now, we have a negative in the numerator, right here, and then we have a negative in the denominator, which makes our equation y equals 1/3 x minus 1. Okay, now let's continue. So we have identified what the slope is of the first line. That's going to be 1/3. Okay, now let's look at our second line. Our second line is parallel to this first line. So that means that our slope is going to be the same. Okay, now, and it passes through negative 2, 4. Okay, so I'm running out of space, so let's go ahead and move that. So m equals, what was it, 1/3, and it goes through negative 2, 4. Let me just check. 1/3. Okay. I need to put this into slope-intercept form. Okay, and here's my x and here's my y. So we have 4 equals 1/3 times negative 2 plus b. And then we can actually write this as an equation, so it becomes 1/3 times negative 2 over 1. So that is negative 2 over 3, okay, plus b equals 4. I'm going to add 2/3 to both sides. Okay, so I have 4 plus 2/3 equaling b. I could just combine those together, and so I have 4 and 2/3, or you can write it as an improper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. Add the 2. We have 14 divided by 3 equals b. Okay, you can leave it as 4 to 2/3, or write it as an improper fraction, but I like improper fractions. So my slope, my original slope was m equals 1/3. I have my b. I can substitute it into y equals mx plus b. So y equals 1/3 x plus 14 over 3. And that's my final answer. Okay?